Hello students, welcome in online session. Today our class is devoted the role of entrepreneur. Here we will discuss what is the reason so that these days entrepreneurship is getting popularity day by day. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi always is used to say Atmanirbhar Bharat. It means to develop business by own. So there are a lot of reasons, there are a lot of factors to help entrepreneurship in the development of country, in the development of state, in the development of districts. So there are the few points here we will discuss regarding the advantage of entrepreneur development program. First is that capital formation. Here it means capital formation when a person is ready to start to establish the business. The first important thing is appeared that there is the accumulation of tools, machines, development of factory. So first, economic zone is developed to start the business, to continue the business. Second is that employment opportunity. When business is established, undoubtedly a lot of people get opportunity. And when a lot of people get the opportunity to get the job, what will be the impact after that? When many people will get the job, it means they will earn much more money, and due to increase earning capacity, it means purchasing capacity of people in the country will be increased. And when purchasing capacity is increased, it means demand is increased. And demand is increased, it means manufacturing process is increased. Production of the product is increased, and after that GDP of the country is increased. So it is not only for a businessman to establish a business for its own sake, for its own advantage. Rather, it is helpful for all the people of the society because there is the creation of the job. So first point is that by the EDP, capital formation is increased, it will be high. Second is that job opportunity is seen among the society. Third is that balanced regional development. When people will get opportunity in his own area, there is not the chance to migrate from their place. They will stay in his own place because now they are able to get the livelihood by the business settlement, by the establishment of factory. So this is much more important things which is here to discuss about the balanced regional development. And many people are not ready to leave the place. It means there is the development of the regional place. People think about their place, and there are lot of the opportunity to develop the regional area, to develop the local area, and there is not the situation, not the compelling environment for the people of the regional area to leave the place and go anywhere to get the job. If everything is available in your own place, then what is happened? Not need to visit anywhere. Rather, this is the responsibility for the local people to explore the opportunity, avail the opportunity and brush up the career and brush up the life. Next is the optimum utilization of local resources. A man, a person who is interested to start the business. So it is ample opportunity to maximum use of local resources. Local resources is not transferred from anywhere to develop the business. Rather, optimum utilization of local resources are exploited by the local people. So there is also the chance to explore the local resources, and local resources is converted into the economic part. People will get opportunity. Business is not provided the benefit to only the corporate house, only to the businessman. Rather, it is also helpful for the people of the all. Next is that economic. Economic independence. Many people will not dependent to others regarding the livelihood. They are independent by themselves because they are getting opportunity to get money, to get salary, to get wage. And due to that, they are economically independent and they are not dependent to any other people. So when there is the economic freedom, it means there is the thought of freedom. There is chance to think in the broad sense what I have to do. So this is the much more important to develop in the economic independence. Next is that rise standard of living. When local people will get the job, it means get the money, and money it means purchasing capacity is increased. So naturally, a standard of living will be high. Each and every circumstances, we see that many able people can do many things, but if they are not economically sound, they cannot do anything. So there is the primary role of income to pass the livelihood in the life of human being. And here it means due to the entrepreneur development program, there is an ample opportunity to rise the standard of living. Next is that Due to entrepreneur development program, per capita income will be high. Each and every person will get opportunity to rise the income, and when there is the situation to increase the income, it means everything will be going the higher stage in the proper way, and such economic facility provides human being to live in the standard way. So not only this is the opportunity for the business organization to rise, rather many people of the society will get the opportunity to rise themselves, because business organization is not the one man show. Profit comes into the pocket of the corporate house by the people of the society, and people of the society who are contributing the service to the business organization, and instead of that they are getting the money. So this is the grand opportunity to develop themselves in the higher way. Due to entrepreneur development program, industrial slump will be not happen. Genius person, intelligent person, business people will handle the industry very carefully, very tactfully, and prevent the slums of industry. So just I am going to summarize again before you people that there are a lot of advantages to go through the entrepreneur development program. First is that there is a chance of the capital formation, factory will be established, machine will be established, tools and economic equipments will be installed. Third is that employment opportunity. Next is that balanced regional development, because people is not leaving the place, and when they will not leave the place, then it means there is the development of the place by the people of this place. Optimum utilization of local resources. Whatever the local resources is available, it will be exploited by the business person, and after that which is beneficial for the people of the society. Next is that rising standard living, per capita income will be raised. Industrial slums will be checked. So all these are the important factors which provides the advantage to the people of the society. So we cannot ignore the importance and the vital role of EDP program. How much it will be developed, country will be developed, district will be developed, state will be developed. So these are the roles of the EDP. Okay, thank you very much. Next day we will continue.